对来说，对来说。
Indicates the angle from which a matter is seen.
Indicates the angle from which a matter is seen.
这件衣服对我来说太贵了。这件衣服对我来说太贵了。
This dress is too expensive for me.
This dress is too expensive for me.
数学对他来说太简单了。数学对他来说太简单了。
Math is too easy for him.
Math is too easy for him.
这次考试对我们来说太难了。这次考试对我们来说太难了。
This exam is too difficult for us.
This exam is too difficult for us.
这项任务对你来说是一个很好的机会。这项任务对你来说是一个很好的机会。
This assignment is a great opportunity for you.
This assignment is a great opportunity for you.
这次经历对他们来说是一个全新的体验。这次经历对他们来说是一个全新的体验。
This experience was a new one for them.
This experience was a new one for them.
父母的关爱对孩子来说是不可或缺的。父母的关爱对孩子来说是不可或缺的。
Parental love is indispensable to children.
Parental love is indispensable to children.
对学生来说，努力学习就是最重要的责任。对学生来说，努力学习就是最重要的责任。
For students, studying hard is the most important responsibility.
For students, studying hard is the most important responsibility.
对女人来说，生命中最重要的往往不是金钱，而是家庭。对女人来说，生命中最重要的往往不是金钱，而是家庭。
For women, the most important thing in life is often not money, but family.
For women, the most important thing in life is often not money, but family.
对男人来说，事业永远是最重要的。对男人来说，事业永远是最重要的。
For men, their career is always the most important.
For men, their career is always the most important.
对你来说，生命中最重要的是什么？对你来说，生命中最重要的是什么？
For you, what is the most important thing in life?
For you, what is the most important thing in life?
谢谢观看。